Here we go again. All right, so you got these two parts done. Now we're going to do this guy right here. All right, a little bit different from what you're used to because you're going to use architectural measurements on this one. So the first thing you have to do, yours will say decimal down here at the bottom. So move your mouse down here to the bottom. We see this arrow. Click this to architectural. Okay, so when you do this, you have to type in the actual feet symbol. Otherwise, you have to convert to inches. It's entirely up to you. So line, we're going to draw a box around. As you see here on your figure, I wish I could point, but I can't. It says 1 feet 9 inches, so you have to actually use a feet symbol. So 3 and feet. Next to the enter button, you'll find feet. There you go. Yes, it's bigger than your other ones. Naturally, it is. So 3 feet. Now, I'm going to use the O track here to save myself a little bit of work. So I'm going to touch this, not click, touch. You see that line. That's the O track. I've gone over this once, but here it is again. So click here, move it up, and click there. All right. So I'll give you a second to get that caught up. Hopefully you're good. All right, so now we're going to offset this. So type an O enter for offset. Hopefully my volume is loud enough on this thing. If not, crank yours up. 5-inch offset. Click here, outside. Click here, outside. Click here, outside. Click here, outside. Next question you ask yourself is, how do you attach these corners? We're going to do a fillet. There's a little bit of a different way to do a fillet than what you guys are used to. You've only done one once, so you shouldn't be used to a whole lot. If you type an F enter, there should be a radius on there. If you set radius to 0, you can click your corners and it will make a sharp corner. Okay, press enter again. I'm just going to press enter again so I don't have to do multiple. Enter again, and there we go. Great use of fillet. Okay, next we're going to draw these red lines right here. I made these red just to help us see where we have to do some trim lines here in a moment. So I'm going to offset. It's 1 foot, 12 inches. Offset that over. Remember, you click, you go in the direction of where your arrow should go to, and then you click. Okay. Now I'm going to make these red just so I can see them a little bit better. Okay. So I'm going to highlight these. I left clicked. I didn't left click and drag. I just left clicked, and I got these selected. You go to Properties. If you click by layer and set this to red, it will turn all those lines red. Okay. So I'm going to offset now. My offset's 3 inches. Follow me. Click here, go out. Click here. Uh-oh, I'm getting lazy. I'm going to hit multiple. Much faster. There we go. All right. So watch this. Trim. I'm going to show you different uses of trim. Okay. So this time when you do trim, press enter only 1 time. What you're going to do is you're making a fence. So everything I'm clicking now is a fence. So it means it's only going to click what's in the middle of these. So I press the enter button now. Now I can click these up here and it won't affect those down below it. Or I can draw a little box like this. Bump, 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 bump. Bump, 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 bump. Oops, I messed up. Looks like I forgot a line here. No problem. Offset. Move this guy over, and there we go. Oops. I missed these in the middle here too. Not a big deal. Okay, now we're going to offset going down. So O enter, 3 enter, click up here, multiple, boom, 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 boom. I think that was the Inspector Gadget thing. Either way. Okay, one more time, TR. I'm going to click enter once. Choose my edges, these red lines right here. Press the enter button. And next we're going to just draw little boxes here so I can trim those. And that's beautiful. Trim those, trim those, trim these, and you're done. Congratulations. And that's it. So these are finished. You obviously can't do the area on this. I'm going to trust it's done. The only thing you could do is you can put a measurement up here. Problem is it's going to be really tiny because it's not set to architectural inches, and I'm not going to go into that just yet. So just leave it as such. I know it's finished. Job well done. That's all for this one. I will assign you guys more to do. I'm not going to tell you over YouTube because then it's set in stone for years to come. So go ahead and do how many more I ever ask you to do? Who knows? Could be 15, could be 5, I don't know. Anyway, good luck. I hope you got this down. If you have any questions, please ask. Bye.